Discover a new freedom with the Medeva electric wheelchair. Designed to go anywhere with you, the Medeva wheelchair is a lightweight, easy to assemble, foldable power wheelchair. This wheelchair comes with a battery charger, footrest, the backrest, seat and calf strap made from the finest fabric. To get your Medeva electric wheelchair started, unfold it first. Connect the joystick, fix the footrest, now plug in the battery. Attach the backrest, the seat and the calf strap. You're now ready to operate your electric wheelchair. The MHL1007 is now ready to go.